Hi guys, this is Sri from TWRP. Today I will show you how to install TWRP recovery in POCO X3. So for this, you need to download the platform tools from the online. So you have to place the platform tools in local disk so that it will make you install. So after you download the platform tools, you have to download the recovery also and place both platform tools and the recovery in the local disk. So then next step, you need to put the phone in fast booting mode. All you need to press power button, make it restart, and hold the power button and volume down together. So it will go into fast boot mode. So then you need to click on here, type CMD, type fast boot devices, fast boot flash recovery, and drag and drop the recovery ISO file, the disk image, here, and delete all this folder details and enter. So you can see the recovery is installing. It's installed. So you need to reboot the device. Next, type fast boot, reboot, then volume up, press the volume up, so you can see the TWR recovery. So this is the way you can install the TWR recovery in POCO X3 devices. With this you can flash custom ROMs, do all the things. Hope you like this guys. So please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye guys.